everybody! Look what the Easter Bunny brought me! Polar Bear, you had like a dozen more of those Kinder Joy eggs. Yeah, I know, I ate them. Yeah, I know, I've been tripping over the shells all day. Well, I can't reach the trash can. Okay, whatever, Polar Bear. Okay, today, and this is the third attempt at this. My second attempt ended when I ran out of storage on my phone and had to delete some files. But we're going to try to pick and gut this Schlage Deadbolt that I found at Goodwill a couple of weeks ago. I've gotten it picked about 5 or 6 times, and every time I've done so, it has been in bed. And it has been camera shy today. Now this lock, I actually found near a bus stop when I stopped to go to the grocery store on the way home the other day. It's not a stop I normally make, or not that particular grocery store, but it says IPL meter, which is Indianapolis Power and Light, and it's a Wilson Bohannon. It's a very nice lock. I have not gotten it picked yet. It's got very sloppy tolerances. I'm pretty sure it's 5-pin. From what I've read or seen on videos, it doesn't have any security pins in it. It's gotten a little scratched up from being in my backpack. But hopefully I'll get it open before too much longer. But, don't forget, last time I'm telling you, it's a secret, so don't tell. I was going to announce the subscriber giveaway today, but I am still working on the non-lock sport projects, and they will be all leather. You've already seen the leather bowl. This is actually the front of my belt buckle, which I still have to stitch together tonight, but one of the leather items in the non-lock sport version will have a basket weave pattern on it. So just a little hint there. I apologize if you hear my neighbors yelling and screaming. They're having an argument, and needless to say, the walls and doors are paper thin. This thing is pretty beefy. It's probably 3 or 4 ounces, but you can tell you're holding it. Now, the last time I actually got this open today, it took me about 2 minutes, and since then it's taken me a lot longer. Needless to say, it's camera shy. Of course, I'm sure some of that has to do with the fact I'm having to reach out to pick, but everybody who does these videos has that same problem. So I'm not complaining, just making a commentary. But yeah, the plasma center has a meter just a few feet from the door, and it has one of those Wilson Bohannon locks on it. And one of these days I need to make a short film of that, because there's something a little funny about how the lock is set up. And I kind of giggle every time I see it, because, well, you'll see when I do that video. Might be tomorrow. I was donating on Friday and Sunday, but I got up today and decided I don't feel like going out. I just want to stay home And since this is the first day of their donation week, I've got all week to get my 2 donations in. Okay. I'm pretty sure this has some security pins in it. I think it's a class 1 rated. I think I just got a false set there. Which has to do with how resistant it is to physical attack, how many times it'll open, and from what I read on, it doesn't say specifically security pins, but I believe that is part of the equation in making it secure. I do know it's rated for 100,000 openings, and I would assume closings. I've really been having fun working with the leather today. I got 2 projects to finish up for the non-lock sport version, and I probably won't get to the craft store to buy nylon webbing that I need to finish the one until next Saturday. So I'm looking at next Sunday to do my subscriber giveaway video. Yeah, the neighbors that are arguing, and they quit for now. I think they moved in last weekend. I've really been lucky in apartment life, and I've not had too many loud neighbors that like to fight and argue. And it seems like when you do, they don't tend to stay around very long. Actually, the first time it happened, they were arguing. And I heard a gunshot, so I called the police. Walked out of the apartment so I could let them in because the outer door would be locked. And about a week later, the landlord threw them out. Kind of felt sorry for her, but at the same time, I'm sure that was not their first go around. And it was well over 20 years ago, so I hope she got away from abusive men, because I know she got a black eye from that. You could tell because she was wearing sunglasses at a time where you don't normally wear sunglasses. Cannot believe how camera shy this thing's being. Almost thinking I should have gone straight to gutting after I got it unlocked earlier today. But in addition to working on leather today, cooked up some rice, cooked up some beans, cooked up some chicken, and right before I started this video attempt, I combined them all, or at least parts of each, along with some vegetables and some cheese, and they're heating up on the stove right now. That'll be my lunch, mostly for the week, and dinner. Got it, finally, yes. Okay, now on to the gutting. Yeah, my other pinning tray still has the pins and springs in it from the last lock I gutted because the springs are so long. I can't figure out how to push them down and put the pins in them, and yeah, I think I know what tools I need to do it, but yeah, I don't have them yet. So we'll be using an improvised one. I do have one leather pinning tray made up and another one that's in the process of being finished. But the one that's all the way finished is in a package to go out to Sloth Picker, and the other one will be part of the Lock Sport prize package. Okay. Actually found this screwdriver in front of a gas station the other day. It's a number 1 Phillips. Number 2 would fit in this screw better, but I had made sure it was not cranked down before I started these videos. Okay. Let me stick this over here. Okay. Yeah, you can tell this lock's got some age on it, even though it's been in a garage for God knows how many years. Okay, I'm not quite sure. I think I have to. Okay. I need to hold this in place. And yeah, of course that key won't fit. Didn't think it would. Let's see if. And no. Okay. The Okay. I think I just ruined those pliers. Yeah, let me think here. That won't work. That won't work. Let's see. Okay. Sure if I can. Okay, I don't think that's gonna work. I was gonna see if I could pop that middle piece off, but I don't think I can. I'm hoping this follows righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Just slipping on there. Yeah. Well, I'm not sure how to get that off. It looks like there's a washer in there, but it doesn't look like it comes out. Okay, that's okay. Ah, okay, we figured it out. Thank God, there's a little spring indent in there. I would have been forever trying to twist that off. Okay, so let's try. Put that there. Okay. I think, where's my pick at? I think the pick will work better to try to get that detent out. There we go. Okay, we got it finally. Okay, that one's too big. Oh, let me take that out. Okay. Yes, luck has been full of surprises. Okay, so standard. Looks like a standard, and a standard. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that later. Okay, let's, yeah. Of course, right in front of me. And I should have marked. Okay, this has got to be the front. Okay, it's got a Let's see what the Bible has to oh! Yeah, one went flying. Okay, standard. That looks standard. That is standard. Really surprised. I could have sworn. Yeah, we still got 2 pins to go. Standard? At least I think it is. And standard, I was wrong. There's no security pins in there. This is going to be another one that's going to be fun to put back together because of the length of the springs. Yeah, it just must be the good tolerances because I could have sworn I felt a spool in there. But I'm still learning, so 27-minute video. Sorry it took so long. Have a great day.